Laura Della, you might know me as House Project UK, and I've been sharing my home DIY project, renovation, decor, basically oversharing on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook for about 5 years now. Those videos tend to be between say 12 and 45 seconds, and they're very quick and whizzy. Whereas what I'm going to do here on YouTube is have my channel where we just take our time, kind of breaking them down in a way that you can pause them, go back, and basically we are just going to go slow. I'm not quitting my socials, but this is going to be a little bit extra. I get so many questions about, well, how did you do that? Like, whoa, go back. The reels that I make on social media tend to be really quick. You have to grab people in the first 3 seconds. And sometimes it just tends to be like, ta-da, I've made this, which is nice to see, isn't it? But actually, if you want to make it yourself, you're going to need a bit more detail. And that's what this channel's for. So welcome to, what should we call it? I guess the cabin. Let's call it the cabin. I have been trying to put this together now for a year. This was my 40th birthday present to myself. I'm now 41 and a little bit. So basically it's taken a bit of time to get there. I'm going to show you around. It's just down in my garden. And when you talk about, I'm going to build a YouTube set in my garden, it sounds a bit weird, but also all my other content, all my projects are going to happen in here. But when I'm presenting on YouTube, I'm going to wear my little dungas, and my friend Lauren at Sunny Stitches has embroidered them for me. There is something on the back which I can't reveal yet, but happy days. So this is my YouTube outfit. When I'm on my normal socials, I'll wear normal clothes. Okay, so if we talk about the cabin for a little bit, this is a Dunster House Terminator Grand. It is a 7 metre by 3 metre structure. I'll show you around it in a second, but I got electrics added. I've had the floor insulated, but then all the decor and the painting and all of that, that's all me. Here I've got a little bit of gapping happening because obviously the weather's changing, which is a bit annoying. I need to figure out a way to fix that. But yeah, I built my workbench myself, and it's just the perfect place for me to be able to break down my projects and kind of take you along with me. This is where the magic happens, and I painted this in Little Greens Livid, which is this deep light tealy green, and I used these adhesive stickers actually on the end of my hardwood ply bench. Now I know like adhesive on wood is not necessarily the best combo, but I think it's not in direct contact with the outside, it has been brilliant. So it's been like this now for, I think it's about 6 months ago that I built this. This is how long it has taken to get this up and running. But yeah, so this is going strong. I can wipe it clean, happy days. Most of my tools, you'll see they are Ryobi. It's not product placement, it's just what I've got. I've been building up my collection and I love them. I literally love them. I love the battery, but I can do another video on tools another time. Okay, so this is where I'm going to do the vids. I've got some lighting. I'll show you these. I've got some little, I get a bit scared of spiders. Okay, I'm going to tell you this now. I'm a bit scared of spiders. So obviously, me being in a log cabin, it's also a bit scary. So I'm putting on my big girl pants today. Just can't get on with it. So this is the office end, and up here, this is where I'll do my little one-to-one calls, which you can book in with me if you want to discuss any of your decor or home dilemmas. The link's there, but anyway. This is where I do my work. I upcycled these, I made this, I painted it all, and I built my own desk out of OSB, which has just been lying around since that reno. So I love this little area. It's lighter and brighter, and I feel like I've got nice views to the garden, which I'll show you in a second, but yeah, I love being in there. Oh, and I went on one podcast once, so I bought myself a mic, but I'm manifesting more podcasts. I love a chat, guys. Sign me up. This end is the comfy end. This is the chilled end. This is where people can come and sit and relax. Hasn't happened yet, but it's a nice idea. It's my husband's grandma's chair and we had it reupholstered. So it's really cute and I'm really pleased to have it in here. And then over there, we've got a bioethanol burner, which was put in the peak of summer. I've tested it out. It was very hot. It felt hot, but I look forward to seeing how that actually works in the winter months. So cabin tour done. It's now time to let me know what project you want to see first. So I'm going to give you some options. Please vote in the comments. And the plan is I will show it you in detail. I'll break it down, materials, time, costings, and also the techniques to be able to replicate it yourself. Make sure you click subscribe, guys, because I've got so many plans for this space and I can't wait to share it with you. Speak to you soon. Bye.